Hello, this is a video on demonstrating how our short-term insurance policy works. So I have a listing here, Zeiss Super Speeds, that I want to rent. Select the dates that I want. And let's say I don't rent a lot and I just want to buy short-term insurance just for this particular listing. And maybe I have some other listings that I want to rent as well for this specific time. So let's select short-term insurance. There will be a $250 hold on your card. It's a refundable deductible amount. So this is not a charge, it's just an authorization hold. And there will only be one hold at one time. So if you have multiple rentals during this time period, say November 22nd to November 27th, we will only conduct one hold during that time. So if you rent these lenses and 5 other listings, you're only going to get one $250 hold. Okay. So then I select request. The credit card's on file. Use current one. And the request has been sent. Okay, so my request has been accepted. I've received a notification via email that Christian has accepted my request, which now means that I have to set up my insurance that I've selected, which was short-term insurance. So, select purchase insurance right here. Now we're in the short-term policy window. We've auto-filled the short-term policy to accurately reflect the amount of coverage we need for those lenses, which is $35,000. We have a live updated pricing window here, so as we go through these options, this will update our price and our premium as to what our insurance will cost. So we just fill in this information. I have a fake address and information here, but for the purposes of this demonstration, we will use it. And the policy end date, it has auto-filled to what the dates I had already selected for the use of these lenses. I can change it to later if I want. Let's say I want the short-term policy to go for a month. I can do that if I want. Okay. You can see the price updated down here. Bring it back down to where it was. It's 208 again. So now you have some options to choose from as you go through this window. Continuing rental fee. What this means is the renter is responsible for damaging the owner's equipment. Now, if you don't select this coverage, that means the owner has the right to ask you, the renter, to reimburse him or her for loss of rental. So if I were to damage Christian's lenses and they were to be repaired, the time that they're out, Christian is losing out on potential rental money. Therefore, he has a right to ask me for that reimbursement. This covers you for that particular situation. I don't think anything's going to happen, but just in case, I want to cover myself for $2,500 worth of loss of rental for Christian. I select that. I've had no claims. If I do select that I've had claims, there will be more questions that will pop up. But let's say 0. I don't plan to leave the country. I won't have an alarm. Now, currently the policy does not cover you for theft from unlocked vehicles. If you would like that coverage in case something were to happen and this equipment were to be stolen from your vehicle while it's unlocked, you can select yes. As you can see, it updates to 255. Obviously before, we're at 235 here because of this. We're at 208, 235, 255. And we'll do this as a test, but you should describe what the purpose of this is, what kind of shoot you're doing, what kind of project you're working on. Continue. You should read these terms just in case, but I will agree to them all. These are our insurance provider's terms, Athos Insurance. Review policy. There's our insurance provider. Here's our contact information and all the pertinent information that you need for your policy. everything that we've selected, the coverage amounts, all the different options that we've done, all right here. Then you pay and confirm. Put in your credit card number, you put in your expiration date and your CVC, and you pay. And that's how short-term insurance works on Sharegrid.